Hey y'all, I got these locks in under 15 minutes. You heard me right. Under 15 minutes. I know. If you want to see how I got this very quick protective style in under 15 minutes, continue watching. Right here, bam. That is all you need to complete this style, and we're gonna do this. I'll make sure I have the non-Velcro, well, the Velcro side, but okay, so this is the side that I have facing upward. And I promise, when I say like this is gonna be super quick, we're literally gonna get the hot glue gun, plug it in, get it warm. We're going to literally hot glue to the bands, okay? I'm gonna space them out so that when I go on the second level, it's staggered and not as bulky. I'll show you what I mean in a second. I've seen this on TikTok, and if I can find her TikTok name, I will put it on the screen. But if I find it, it'll also be down in the description box. So I just realized the way I glued it, the band has to go, the snap has to go in the front. Make it as full as you want to, but depending how far away your locks are from each other or how many locks you got on this band right here. I'm back. I'm gonna throw this wig cap on and watch. We're just about done. Like, this literally been what, 5-10-ish minutes. I have no idea, to be honest. I didn't look at the time. But here we go. So we're just gonna throw this on just to hide the braids and everything, you know. We finna just pop her on, bam, like this, like a wig, and it's a wig grip. So the good thing is, this girl ain't going nowhere. Watch this, boop, bam, and then what we gonna do, right? So we literally just gonna tie this around, and that's literally all we're finna do. Like, watch. We're just gonna. You got locks. You got locks. Okay, yeah, you got locks. And I'm gonna say 15 minutes or less by the time I got everything together. This is the completed look. I tried her with the hat, but the band part, well, actually my wig, my dome cap was showing. So I would really just need a hat that doesn't have a cutout in the back, and you would be good. Or if somehow you got a thicker band and put some more locks up there, you should be okay. But I like it with a scarf. It's very simple, very cute. So I'm not mad. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like this one and want to see more quick, easy, protective styles, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.